You're gonna select the model you like, hit 3D print. Now scroll over to our Asiga, hit the Asiga name. Composer will now load. We're gonna select our printer, hit open. I'm gonna click on it once. Click on it so you see a blue hand. Drag it over to the middle. I'm gonna rotate up. Click on it again so you see a blue hand. Bring it up to the top. I'm gonna click on it with a right click and rotate it back. Down to the top. Blue hand, bring it right over. Now that it's yellow, we know that it's going to print exactly how it's supposed to. Bring it down. We'll generate supports. Hit apply. If the more supports are needed, you can add. Click on the actual surface, add more supports. I generally like adding sparse supports, reduce the amount of material used, at the same time giving it the most integrity. This should be more than enough to get started. We'll hit close. With this, we'll go ahead and set the build. You can name it, hit next. Make sure anti-aliasing is on to give you the best surface quality. You choose fast print, it'll change the timing. Hit next. Next again. Give the build a name, and then we can send the build to the printer.